Children, Assalamu alaikum. I am grade 3 science teacher. First of all, take out page number 133 and we are going to start the new topic of the chapter, that is movements of the earth. How does the earth move and what are the phases of the moon? In this, first of all, let us do the movements of the earth. Movements of the earth. So that's a part of the learning zone, and let's start from here. The movements of the earth. Earth has different seasons and experiences day and night due to its movements. Now the movements of the earth are in two categories. One is rotation and one is revolution. The rotation is on the imaginary line, like this earth. This is itself moving around itself, and that is called rotation, and that takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. The earth rotates. The part that moves towards the sun becomes bright, the part which faces the sun has day, and the part that faces away from the sun is dark and experiences night. The earth also moves round the sun in a regularly repeated path, that is called orbit. The revolution of earth leads to different seasons. What is revolution? Revolution is when the earth is moving around the sun, and it leads to different seasons like summer, winter, autumn, spring, and one complete revolution around the sun takes 365 and 14 days. This you can see the rotation. The earth is moving on its axis, and this you can see the revolution. All the planets are moving and the earth is also moving around the sun. Satellite. What is a satellite? Let's discuss about the satellite. A satellite is an object that orbits around a planet. Satellites made by humans are called natural satellites, artificial satellites, while the only natural satellite is the moon. Now these satellites are sent around the earth with the help of rockets, and different satellites are sent around the earth for different purposes, such as weather satellites provide weather information, and some satellites send telephone signals to our phones, and moon is the natural satellite. And do you know that earth is 50 times bigger than the moon? Earth is very much bigger than the moon, and the moon is revolving round the earth, and that is called orbiting, and it takes 29 and half days to complete the rotation about its axis. Now turn your page, come to page number 134. Let's explain you the page number 134. Now due to changes in the moon's position, part of the sun doesn't get light. As the moon is moving, the part of the sun that is away from the earth, from the sun, is dark, and the part of the earth that is illuminated or like lightened by the sun appears to be changing its shape. Now this process of changing of shape of moon because of the lightening of the sun at that part of the moon is called phases of the moon, and it goes on repeating every month. So what are the different phases of the moon? New moon, crescent moon, half moon, gibbous moon, and full moon. So what is a new moon? The moon is not seen because we are looking at the part of the moon that is not illuminated by the sun. The new moon we are not able to see because the part of the moon is not illuminated, it is darkened. The crescent moon we see when the moon is visible to us after 2 or 3 days. The moon has a crescent shape and looks like a crescent. Then comes the third phase of the moon, that is the half moon. Within a week the moon appears in a semicircle shape. Then the gibbous moon, when we see more than half of the moon. And then the full moon, the moon shines brightly as a full circle within 2 weeks, when we say it is 14th day moon. So we have studied till here. I have given you 3 questions to do. We have already done 1 till 4 questions from page number 132. Today I am going to give you question number 5. What is the solar system? Now what is the solar system? The answer lies on page number 131. Our solar system consists of sun at the center and 8 planets revolving around it: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Then question number 6 is describe Neil Armstrong in 2 lines. So this is you can get from page 132. Neil Armstrong was the first man to took his first step on the moon on 20th July 1969. Second point, he traveled in a spacecraft called Apollo 11. So these are the 2 points you have to write in question number 6. Then we have question number 7. Question number 7 is, I have given you, the question number 7 is, what are the different phases of the moon? So the answer lies here. What are the different phases of the moon? New moon, crescent moon, half moon, gibbous moon and full moon. So these 3 questions, question number 5, 6, 7 you have to do in your copies, and you have to draw this rotation, showing this rotation in the next class. Only first of all do these 3 questions. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.